Historically, May is one of the busiest months for real estate, except when it isn't. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Yes, buyers did have a few more choices compared to the last 3 months, but nowhere near as many as last May. And yes, while prices in the East Bay continue to climb, they're still about $200,000 less than last May. Relatively lower prices drew more buyers into the market, yet home sales were still down about 500 units compared with May 2022. Let's get local. 880 Corridor is first. Homes for sale. Way down everywhere compared to last May. Fremont only 33 homes for sale. San Leandro just 24 for sale. Prices down everywhere. Alameda down more than 20% and Albany down more than 30%. Hayward 918 down almost 20%. Sales down almost everywhere. Fremont 84 sold, down more than 30%. San Leandro and San Lorenzo both down 40%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, fewer choices everywhere. Richmond, 47 on the market, down 45%. Prices mixed. El Sobrante and San Pablo both up. Richmond, 624, down more than 20%. Sales down everywhere. El Sobrante only 4 sold, Richmond 50 sold. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Concord, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek all down at least 30%. Martinez down almost 70%. Prices down everywhere. Clayton, 1.087, down more than 25%. Sales down everywhere. Concord, 67 sold, down more than 50%. Clayton and Walnut Creek both down at least 40%. La Miranda is next. Homes for sale. Good news for buyers, more choices in Lafayette and Moraga. Prices, more good news for buyers as prices dropped in all 3 communities. Sales, mixed news for buyers and sellers as sales down everywhere compared with last May. Next up is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, mostly way down. Dublin, 9 for sale, down more than 80%. Livermore, Pleasant, and San Ramon all down more than 50%. Prices down everywhere. Alamo, 2.4, and Livermore, 1.15, both down almost 20%. Sales down everywhere. Livermore just 66 sold, Dublin 31 sold, and San Ramon 46 sold, both down almost 40%. We'll wrap things up in the Delta. Homes for sale down everywhere. Oakley and Pittsburgh both down more than 50%. Prices mixed. Discovery Bay 876 up 5%. Brentwood 820 down 12%. Sales down everywhere. Brentwood 79 sold and Pittsburgh 48 sold, both down more than 30%. Last thought. Real estate markets in the East Bay are not collapsing, just slowing down. In fact, there are about 120 more pending sales in May compared with April. We'll see you next month.